Good afternoon. My name is Erika Joana Peña Rojas, and this is my son Joan. His name is Johan, last name Rivas, age 9 years old, birthday date March 18, 2018, occupation student, and his hobbies origami and play with geckos. My son's name is John. He is 9 years old. He's a Colombian and he lives in Garzon. He started at school and he loves geckos because they are interesting lizards. In his free time, he likes doing origami. He makes origami airplanes all the time because it is his favorite hobby. He also likes eating spaghetti with chicken very much. He doesn't like reading or math, but he enjoys creative activities and playing. He's a happy boy, he's a friendly, and he has many friends in his school. He's a creative and active boy.